Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Michelle Birdsong. I was sleeping. It's 3:30 a.m. and some words came to me, so I'd like to share them with you. You're looking at a photograph of Josh Groban. That's inside his Bridges CD. This is Sir Paul McCartney to Michelle Birdsong. David Garrett to Michelle Birdsong. These are the words that were in my head this morning. This is a fly. I'm not alone. There are two flies here to bother me. Everyone's gone. Common grave. We can save and defend where we're going, where we've been. Sing this hymn. We are them. Watch the film. He's a friend. They are kin. Try again. Follow not the trend. Follow the path of weathered without end. And there it is, the reason for this hymn. For this hymn, we're ready to begin to forgive every other's sin. Let them know they can begin again. Winter's end, spring's a friend, summer's a wonder, fall is all colors, big and small. Up jumps the frog, caterpillar crawls, spider hops from the web. Can you smell the snail? What's a hammer without a nail? What's a slammer without but a jail? And there you are. Those are the words I have to share today. I hope you like them. So long.